angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your what is coming next in your month. 1 month from now, friends, in your love life, work, and career, friends. For fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, friends. Yes, so if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in fire sign, this reading is for you, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel, friends. Please do subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Also, friends, do click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted, friends. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading, and whenever you come across them, they will help you out in some way or the other. In this reading, this is from 1 month from now. Anytime you come, or see this reading, you can watch it for 1 month from that time period to one date to the 1 month ahead. And friends, these are general readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, I will be covering them like fire, water, air, and earth signs. So I have already done the air signs and other signs also, so do check that out. And by any astrology, you can follow these signs, and your rising sign, your moon sign, and your sun sign. So let us see, Aries, first of all, what is the theme for the next 1 month for you, Aries? I am super excited. Let's see how the next 1 month will be for you. Let's see that. Wow, 3 of Cups in reversed. Wow, interesting. And the 3 of Wands and 10 of Wands. I see you are making a lot of changes. I see you working very, very hard, Aries, and I see you shifting and moving. Oh my God. See, I did say that, and look at this. You are in the energy of Hermit, and you are stepping out of this heartache, challenges, and people not understanding you. I definitely feel, Aries, currently right now, you feel like people are not understanding you, or maybe you have less support right now because like there is some celebration or some good news or some support you want, but it's not coming towards you right now. You feel that, or someone has hurt you, put you in a tough situation, but I feel you will be coming out of that situation and you will find the relief, Aries. I think you are looking for relief. It is going to come, and you may be questioning why something has happened, why someone hurt you, or why some career issue or money issue is happening in your life. I feel it happened because you were meant to awaken. It helped to bring the master in you, bring the wisdom in you. It made you tough, and yes, you have much to look forward. Things are going to shift, bad things will end and good things will begin. So a very positive reading, I feel, Aries. Very, very positive. Yes, vanity. I feel someone has not been very someone has not treated you well, Aries. It could be a lover, it could be a husband or a wife, it could be a co-worker or someone at work. Someone has not treated you right, but it is going to shift, Aries. It is going to shift for you. Impartiality. You had shown a lot of courage, Aries. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. Look at this impartiality. Yes, your justice is coming. I feel you had handled the situation with a lot of justice and lot of fairness. Someone may be partial to you or something was unfair to you, but you held your wisdom. You stick to yourself and your justice, or you did what was right in that situation. So justice is going to come your way, and I feel you deserve it, Aries. You deserve it. Let's see what else is going to happen. Let's see how your love life will be. I am now. This is getting really exciting. I feel you will also be next 1 month. You will be like not in a mood to meet a lot of people or socialize a lot or tell your or share your dreams and your what you say, your dreams, your ambitions. You won't be sharing them. You will be quietly working and planning to make a move ahead. I see some of you could be shifting or relocating or buying a house. Let us see how your love life will be. 5 of Wands. Definitely people are there's this energy of fighting. There is this energy of fight happening or conflict happening in your relationships. I hope you can see the cards, how the love life will be for Aries. Seven of Cups, love life for Aries. The Seven of Wands, 7 7, wow, and the 9. So, a lot of struggles are there, you know. People are really pushing your buttons, Aries. Definitely, even now, I feel you have this strength in reversed. So, I feel like, let me just see, you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. You could be dealing with that person. Or yeah, I was just about to say Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and look what card came. Page of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel someone is not treating you right, or there is a conflict with this person. I feel in your love life there is a lot of challenges, a lot of discussions, arguments, and people not seeing eye to eye. It could be with someone younger or someone who has an age difference from you, a Capricorn, Virgo, or Taurus person, or it could also be that you are facing issues with another Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel this person is quite in their ego. They are not choosing you. They are choosing their work. They are making you feel like you are not strong. They are also taking their time in making the choice about you. So you feel unhappy. You feel like someone is doing you wrong. Obviously, if they are not choosing you, you are bound to feel that way. It could be for some of you a husband or a wife, or someone you want to get married to, but they are not making the decisions. They are keeping you waiting. They may have put you in a third party, and they are very defensive. Instead of changing themselves, they are trying to defend their energy or defend themselves. So that is a very this person is resisting change, Aries. This person is resisting change, but I feel some of you are done with this relationship or done with this person, and something good is going to come your way. You may be feeling like you are powerless in this relationship or in this love connection, but I feel you have a lot of power. It is going to be revealed to you very, very soon in the next 1 month. Your love life is going to shift. You are going to move ahead, and you are going to find this Nine of Wands victory. Nine is like, you know, Nine of Wands moving to Ten of Wands. Here we are, Wands, Wands, Wands energy, lots of Wands here. So you will feel very passionate. You will also feel very, a lot of passion, a lot of focus. Let us see how the future, what will happen like in the next 1 month for Aries, angels. Four of Cups. uh, Again, definitely I feel a new offer is going to come your way. A new relationship or some sort of a peace offering is going to come your way, Aries. I feel you will be very choosy about choosing, you will be choosy or picky about the people coming into your life or whom you say yes, because you had been through a lot here. Definitely a page of rod. I did tell you an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. I feel some of you could be meeting a new Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or someone who is very passionate and shares your vision and ideas. And with this person, you could develop a close friendship or a close, love relationship. I feel things are going to get better for you ahead, Aries, in your love life. You have nothing to worry about. Let's just pull one card from this love life, how Aries love life will be ahead. If you are single, I feel you are very, there is a lot of conflict. Instinct, you have to follow and trust your instinct. See, Aries, you are very strong. You have a very, very strong intuition in this coming month. So if you feel some person is not good for you, they are toxic for you, you are right, they are. It is time for you to step away from such people. Or if you cannot, like if you are married to them, or if you both love each other but currently things are not good, it is time to put some space between you and them. So that is amazing, that's beautiful. And you are in a very, very powerful energy, and there is new love coming your way. If you are really single, Aries, I see there will be conflict with a friend or a past lover or an ex-lover. And also you may be trying to find ways like how to block love in your life because you are not open to new people. Or maybe you feel feel like, you know, someone has done you so dirty, someone has like been very bad to you and in love, so you are like very defensive now about love and relationships. But the new person that's coming in, you should trust your instinct, Aries. No one can harm you. You had become wiser, and justice will happen. And you are this hermit. You are wise. You will know when people are using you or when they are trying to support you, so you have nothing to worry about. Let us see how your work and career will be. Let's see that Aries, for Aries, how their work and career will be in the next 1 month. Wow, the Knight of Rods, the Four of Wands. So definitely some new start is coming. The Queen of Rods. You could be meeting a new lover or a relationship through work. I also feel that some of you could be entering into a new business deal or partnership, and it will be very lucky for you. I feel it will be something that you are destined or waiting for. And I also feel that there will be, you know, a lot of passion and a lot of hard work towards your work and goal in the next 1 month. I see some of you could be shifting, definitely buying a new home, or you are moving into a new job, or maybe you just want to shift your locality or just your vision or even your career. I feel some of you could be changing your career, like, you know, from 9 to 5, you want to go into business or something. I also feel that you could be meeting a friend or supporter from work, a woman, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a man, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They are going to help you out. And I also feel this could lead not just to work alliance or work partnership, but a marriage also. Or maybe you have like you will start a business or some venture with this person. Anything else for career? The Hierophant, definitely you have the support of the law, the family, the justice, and you know, your career will be quite supported, I think, in the 1 month from now. And if you feel injustice was happening, money was not coming your way, you are going to find the money that you need, and things are going to work out for you. So you know, this is like the things happening for you in divine order. This is like Hierophant is like your justice, your hard work paying off. You don't have to worry about it. And let us see what how your money will be, because there are no cards about money here. I don't think so you're even worried about money, Aries. It is like see, Nine of Cups. Yeah, you're not worried about money. Even if you are, you can expect a lot of money to come your way. You can expect your wishes in work and career to come true. If you are a student, you can expect a lot of support in your work and career and education and wishes coming true. I would say just one thing, that like I think the right now the friends you have around are not very supportive, so you should keep your goals and life purpose or career moves to yourself. But the friends that are coming ahead, they are going to help you out, and they will be perfect for you. So new friendships which could help you out in work, that is coming your way, friends. That's it for you now, Aries. Let's take a final message. Yeah, I forgot. Let's take a final message from these cards also. Angels, any other final message for Aries? Oops. Oh, orphan. So, yeah, definitely you are not feeling good at all. You are feeling like someone has left you, someone has done you bad. This is number 5. You feel abandoned. I feel your people around you are not listening or understanding you. They are being egoistic, they are being bad. Bad in the sense like they are not, you may be suffering, but they are not even seeing that. But I feel your luck is, and you also feel life is tough on you, Aries. But it is going to change. It is going to change. Definitely, I see big changes and positive changes. Clean it up. Yes, a cleanup is going to happen. Karma is going to clean things for you and bring your rewards. Number 21. 21 is about communications. It is about justice. It is about helpful people, helpful resources coming your way. And definitely, if someone has done you bad, or like there was gossip, someone was not being honest with you, things are going to, you know, the toxicity, bad people, people who are not honoring you, who are vain, all those will be removed, or some distance will happen from them, and you will find those who are your soul tribe, your soul path, your life path. It is going to bring you justice. Any other message for Aries? Milk and honey. Yes, you are supported, and you are going to be supported in every way, Aries. You have nothing to worry about. I know some of you could be right now very stressed out or very worried, feeling a lack of support, but friends, you have nothing to worry about. I have never seen an Aries reading with so much of energy, which is like struggling. But friends, you have been very strong. Trust me. That is why angels guided me to do these readings together, because something is happening, and I do see this rainbow will shine for you. Number 51 is also 6. That is a spiritual number. So spiritual love and awakening will happen for you, Aries. So that's it for now. If you are leaving, please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Let me know if this reading resonated with you, friends. Also, if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. Hi, beautiful Leo. So let's see how things will be 1 month from now. Let us see how your love life, career, and life in general, and money, etc. will be, Leo. So if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Leo, you can watch this reading. You can also cross watch it if you know a Leo's friends. So yes, let's see how your overall theme will be from now to 1 month ahead. Let's see for Leo's angels. This is a general reading, friends, and you can watch it anytime for 1 month from now. Ooh, cards are flying. That was a Two of Pentacles. It's down on the floor. I'll have to pick it up. Wow. So strength in reversed. Wow, this is very similar to the Aries reading, the Tower, the Emperor, and the Magician. Very, very powerful energies. Leos, let me just pick the card that dropped out. So, Leos, a lot is happening for you, I think, from now to 1 month. I feel you are currently feeling in double minds regarding something. You may be juggling a lot of work or a lot of responsibilities right now. And you definitely feel like, someone is at a distance from you, or there is an emotional distance in some relationship or something. Or I also, sorry, friends, a lot of messages are coming right now. I also feel some of you want to go to some other place, other country, or another city, or for higher education or for work, and there is some work issue also happening, and you want some sort of a justice or some sort of progress in that. You have been working very, 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 very hard, Leos. You have shown a lot of courage and bravery, I think, especially because when I'm shooting, we are still in the quarantine, so maybe it was tough and difficult for you to work or keep your positive focus. But yeah, you still did a lot of hard work, and you are still doing a lot of hard work. I feel the you know you may have to be careful about your health, because strength is in reverse. So you may be working too hard, or you may be giving your best in every area of your life. So just make sure to take care of your health from 1 month from now. The Emperor, you are definitely going to come in a leading position in your love life, career, whatever direction you want to go in. You will be leading, you will be charging. And some of you, I feel, are manifesting a new job or a relationship, and it is going to happen for you. I feel some of you are manifesting a to travel or work in a different city or settle abroad or something like that. It is going to happen for you, friends. It is definitely going to happen for you. The Tower, I definitely feel like something will suddenly come into your life, or something will suddenly go out of your life. Let's clarify the Tower. But I feel like Tower could be like, if you are waiting for some news, it can come in out of the blue and shock you and surprise you, like in a good way. But I also feel it could be some health issues that may happen because of this, that may shock you and surprise you. The High Priestess, I feel you should really focus on your intuition, because this is a collective theme. Someone, if you feel someone is juggling you with work and you or something like that. I feel there is some sort of a relationship issue also happening, and there may be a few tower movements coming ahead for you, but you can get out of them if you follow your intuition. I also feel if you are trying to manifest a new job or a career or a relationship, you will be very lucky, and you are going to find it very out of the blue. You could be, some of you could be dealing with a twin flame also, I feel. Okay. Instinct. See, so the themes are quite similar for you and Aries, Leos. Let's see, you have to follow. You have the High Priestess and the Instinct. So, in 1 month from now, you will be working on your spirituality, developing your intuition, your spiritual gifts, or maybe any gift you have. I feel you are working too much, Aries. I don't know why I said Aries. I mean, Leos. You are working a lot, Leos. I don't know why, but I think some of you want to take charge of your life, some of you want to become leaders, or you want that, you have a goal and you are working for it. But take care of your health. I feel, take care of your health. It could affect your partnerships also, your work or your focus. Instinct, you should develop your gifts, whatever it is. If you are a teacher, you should learn that, or learn something new. Whatever is your gift, you should follow it. For Leos, what is going to happen? Perseverance. Yes, you are working very hard and you are going to perceive, sorry friends, you are going to perceive in your work and career. This is about, this is about things going in your favor. You have nothing to worry about, and you have a lot of support, Leos. You have an angel supporting you. You are hardworking, you are ambitious, but you also have the support of spirit. So don't do everything alone. Manifest what you want. It will happen for you. Let's see your love life, Leos, from 1 month from now. Your love life. Let's see that. Love life for Leos 1 month from now. You have the Five of Pentacles. Yes, challenges, struggles. The Four of Wands. Definitely a twin flame is important, or will be important for some of you, I feel. Let us see what else is there. Oopsie. I feel if you are married, there might be some sort of, your marriage is affected because of work or something. There is the Hanged Man. Yeah, some situation is waiting, and you are waiting for it. The Page of Swords. I feel you could be dealing with another Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. The Seven of Wands. I feel Leos 1 month from now, I feel like you're waiting for something right now also, like something to happen in your love life, or you are at a distance with some person, a lover, a husband, an ex-lover or wife. Someone is at a distance from you. It could be a twin flame that you are in distance from, and there is no contact, and there has been a lot of hurt and pain, and you may face a tower movement with this person ahead. But I feel nothing big will happen because you have your intuition guiding you. So you may meet this person, the one that is yours, out of the blue, like, online or through common friends. You are going to talk, or like, they accidentally call you. The person you were not expecting would call you. They are going to call you or message you by chance, and that can happen. I also feel some of you want to get married to this person, or there is some issues of marriage. Something is happening. I feel, Leos, your love life has been stuck right now for a very long time, but some changes are going to happen. If someone was not sharing their feelings and making a move towards you, they will come out of the blue to make a move towards you, and it will be a big move. It will be like they come and say they want to marry you, or they like bring the biggest diamond in the world for you, Leos. Something big is happening because someone is taking their time about and thinking about you, and they see you. I feel this person is keeping an eye on your social media, and you may also be feeling their energy because you have the instinct, you have the High Priestess. So this could also be your twin flame. If you are really, really pure single as a Pringle, Leos, I feel you are slightly vulnerable to relationships. You feel like, uh, where is that person that's destined for you? You feel like, your relationship or love lives are your love life is hanging in between. Nothing is happening in your love life. You feel stuck. But I feel you will be able to manifest, Leos. You are going to manifest. Connect with your passion, connect with your ambition. You are going to manifest and attract the most amazing life partner that you desire. And I feel like it could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. For others, it could be a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person you will get married to, or you will attract yourself towards you. I feel this person is just like you. They are also hardworking and they won't give up. And you have the power. You have the power, Leos, to manifest what you want. Let's see one message from this card. How your Leo's love life will be. Wow, release. So yeah, I think there is some sort of a fear that is affecting your love life, Leos. You may be scared of the past things because we have the Five of Pentacles. If you are single, you may worry that past issues will come up, or like past failures will come to you, or like in the past you were unlucky in love, so now also you will be unlucky. But I feel you don't need to worry. You are in the magician's energy. Manifest. You can have what you want. See things from a different perspective. See things from the perspective that some things were meant to happen. I also feel a relationship or a marriage right now that you are in could be affected by past issues or past life karmic issues or some karmic issues. So you will have to take some time and be patient with each other, because there is the Tower movement. So don't get angry or don't get too emotional. uh, Advice for Leos for their love life, because dissipating, yeah, you feel like, some of you feel like, life is just going by, nothing is happening, someone is making you wait, or someone is taking too long to come towards you, and you or they just keep watching you, your twin flame, your husband or wife or ex-lover, whatever it is your situation. Or if you are single, you feel like life is passing by, nothing is happening. I feel it is not like that. You should decide what you want and try and take some action, because you are in the manifester. You are the manifester. Follow your instincts. Go for it, friends. Go for it. Let us see how your money and career will be. Let's see that. For Leos, how their money and career will be in the next 1 month. Wow, the Page of Pentacles, money is coming your way, a new start is coming in your way, and the Hierophant is here, two major arcana. So definitely big changes are coming in your work. Some of you could be shifting your work. The Tower movement could be regarding your work. I feel some of you want a new job, or you want to step out of your comfort zone in your work and career. You want to move ahead. Try a new city, try a new work, a new line of career. Maybe you want to be musicians, but I feel you are not showing the world your real self. So it is time to come out of your comfort zone, Leos. Yes, you need to show the world who you are, and all these changes and all your hard work will be paid off and success will be yours. I feel if you are a student and very young, you may get a position of or a job that is of a very that requires more experience, and you may feel like this is a bigger opportunity than you expected, and you may doubt yourself. But I feel you are made for this. You are perfect for this job, and go for it, Leos. Don't hold yourself back. And money is coming your way. I definitely see a lot of money coming your way. Your wishes are going to come true. You have the star, Leos, in your work. Your wishes are going to come true, and I feel your what you say, your ideas will be very creative. You will find creative solutions to your work, education, and I definitely see some of you could be finishing college, graduating, and or attracting your first job or something like that. But I also feel some of you could be changing something, or something will change by destiny in your career, like you have to lose a job to find the job that is much more amazing than you thought of. And so perseverance. You are blessed, Leos. You are blessed. Let's see any other message. Destiny, yes, you are being shown your destiny. What is your destiny? It will be shown to you. And so anything that happens now from 1 month ahead in your love, career, or money or relationships, it is destined, friends, and good things are coming your way. Let us see the final messages from these cards for Leos. What is the message for Leo's angels? Okay, co-create. Again, see the manifestation energy is very strong for you. Co-create, number 40. So it is time for you to create new things in life. Go for it, friends. If you have a dream, if you have a plan, just start acting on it, whether it is in your love life, career, or in your relationships. Imagine number 20. If you can imagine it, you can have it. I also feel it is like take some time to relax also, and not just feel very worked up about life and work and money, because you should enjoy your life, because we still had the strength in reverse. So you don't work is not always about how much effort you involve in it, but how smart you can be, or rather how relaxed or in how you can enjoy your work. I think that is the mantra for you, Leos. You need to find a way of balancing your love life, and work life, and also in it enjoy also. So a lot of happiness is coming your way, and I wish you a great time ahead. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel Magic Vans Tarot if you haven't already. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. You can continue for the Sagittarius reading. If not, if you are saying bye, so here is the bye for now. Hi Sagittarius. So if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. Or if you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch it, friends, for them. Also, this is a general reading and a timeless reading, friends. So let us see. We are going to see your overall energy for now, from 1 month till ahead. From now to 1 month, what is going to happen for Sagittarius. Ooh, this card wants to come out. Three of Cups. A lot of happiness, celebrations are coming your way for Sagittarius. Wow, Seven of Pentacles, work. I feel money is coming your way. The Four of Cups, the theme of the next 1 month, transformations, and Wheel of Fortune. Very nice, friends, very nice. This is a strong energy for you, Sagittarius. Something is going to shift for you in your life. So some transformations are going to happen for you. I feel especially it could be in love life. If something was missing from your love life, or if you felt like there was a third party situation going on, or some external people were affecting your love life, you can expect a change and positive change there. And something I feel a peace apology is also coming, Sagittarius, for you, or you are going to share your feelings to someone. I also feel you have the Wheel of Fortune, so your karma, your good, your reward of hard works is coming for you. All the weight, all the hard work you have shown, all the good deeds you have done will now be rewarded, and something beautiful is going to happen for you. The Wheel of Fortune is here. Things are moving positively ahead for you, and money will be coming your way. A lot of money and supportive friendships are coming your way. Definitely, I feel. If you are struggling, Sagittarius, with family issues or with friendships, you are going to find a lot of support in the next 1 month. Something may change, but the changes are only positive. It will bring you your soul family, your soul tribe, and you may feel currently something is missing out from your life, or someone is missing out from your life. But I feel something better is coming your way, friends. So something may be replaced from your life, Sagittarius, but the what is coming in its place is beautiful. It is amazing. Let's see the theme for Sagittarius. More guidance for theme for now for Sagittarius. Vanity. Wow, I definitely feel there are people who are not good for you, or who are not, um, who are not trying to be very partial, very, how do I say this? Discovery. Yeah, I think Sagittarius, you are going to discover who your friends are and who are not. I feel, there are people, I feel like your love life or your life is affected by people who are working behind your back, or friends and family affecting your life in some way. You may also feel like you will have a lot of success ahead, Sagittarius. So there might be some sort of jealousy happening from friends, or from within family, or maybe your friends are jealous, or your co-workers, so be careful of that. But it will transform, because you do have the death. I feel you're also going to discover who is on your side, Sagittarius, and who is not, and this discovery will change your life. Impartiality, I feel you are going to get rewards of your hard work. The wheel of fortune, you had been patient, you had been kind, and if you were telling someone, like, see, if you I feel you have a friend that I feel like for some of you it is a very very specific message. For some of you, please let me know in the comments if this resonated with you. I feel for some of you, you have a friend who is dating a person, or who is in a relationship with a person who is not good for them, Sagittarius, and you have been telling your friend that, see, that person is not good for you, but they were not listening to you. In fact, they were like trying to run away from you, or trying to say you are wrong. But I think they are going to discover you were right, and they are going to find things that, yes, you were right and correct, and this you and your friends will remain close. I feel this is amazing. There is a lot happening here, and I feel new friendships are also coming your way. A lot of new friendships. Let's see how your love life will be. Let's see that. Sagittarius, their love life for the next 1 month. Ooh, cards are flying out. Okay. The Six of Wands, yes, success is coming your way. A lot of success is coming. The Star, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Sagittarius. Your wishes are going to come true. Conflict, yeah, conflicts will heal and end, and an Empress is going to enter your life. Oh wow, see, I definitely feel this Three of Swords, this hurt and pain is going to end, Sagittarius, in your life. This is the transformation. All this energy, this hurt, this fighting, if someone is fighting with you, or other people affecting your relationship, it will transform, it will transform. What is this Three of Swords about? Page of Cups, yeah, I feel, Sagittarius, I feel you have offered your love to someone, you had been loving to someone, you had been very giving and nurturing and caring, but this person may be putting you in a third party, or they just don't care how you feel, or they rejected you, Sagittarius, or someone hurted you. There is a lot of fight, arguments, and this person is just not open to your love. But I feel you did the right thing, but like by showing your true emotions, you were honest, you were giving, you were loving. But I feel your wishes will come true, friends. Your wishes are going to come true, Sagittarius, and your victory will happen in your love life. And it could be the person who rejected you could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or someone who is very young and immature, or someone who is a little slow. They are egoistic, they are fixed, they don't want to shift. But I feel a new person is coming, Sagittarius, for you, who is an Empress and or an Emperor. This person has a large heart like you, and they are heaven sent towards you, and this is like the your wheel of fortune. This is like positive energy coming in your life. This person and you are very similar. Both of you are large hearts, warm and compassionate, and this will be a very successful relationship. And I feel it can only come into your life when these toxic people, or these people who are fighting with you, or these energies move past or move away from your life. I feel you also need to keep your heart open, because something amazing is going to happen in your love life. I do feel for some of you, for 10 to 20% of you, there is a chance you will be able to resolve your relationship with this person, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Or you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or someone who is fixed, like Cancers can also become very fixed sometimes. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus can definitely do that. So there is a chance for 20 10 to 20% of you that there will be a shift in this connection and your wish is coming true and victory will happen. For others, I feel it is a new connection coming for you, and it is much better than what you are expecting. Something will release, but something will discover and come into your life which is much more fantastic. If you are really single, I feel like someone did you a lot of bad things in the past. You were rejected or you were hurted, and Sagittarius, that is why you are keeping your heart close to yourself. You don't want to indulge or accept new love, but I feel a new love is coming your way, and you might find two people, but you should choose the one who is just like you, compassionate, warm-hearted, loving, and this person and you will have a instant beautiful friendship and connection. You will find, you will know by the vibes they share with you and the warmth they have for you, and this will be a wish come true connection for you. There will be a choice, but I feel you will know which one to choose, Sagittarius. You will know which person to choose. I do feel they could be in your common friends already, this new person, or you both will have a lot of common friends or family. If you are married, I definitely see your marriage is being affected by family, friends, in-laws. Some sort of parents are affecting, or some past parental issues or childhood wounds are affecting. See, forgiveness. There is a need to forgive yourself or this person so that your love life and this relationship can move ahead. I also feel like, you might have to forgive and move on from a person because you have the transformation and the wheel of fortune. So something beautiful is coming your way, Sagittarius. Don't lose hope. And mysticism, yes, all the answers may not be clear to you right now regarding your love life. Some things are not clear, but that is how spirit works. That is how magic works. Some things are not, everything won't be shared or revealed to you, but you will know you are on the right path because you will feel this success. You will feel this success. You will feel like, yes, when you are with positive people, your mind shifts, your positivity shifts, it's good for your mental and emotional health. And I feel there is a spiritual relationship or a union coming your way. It is beautiful. Let us see your career life. Let us see that, Sagittarius. Sagittarius, their career in 1 month from now. Wow, the Seven of Wands, the Chariot. So you are going to work very hard. I did tell you that a lot of money is coming your way. That's the theme. And you will be taking your career and progressing ahead. You are like, no more waiting. I'm done and I'm going to rush into something in my career. And definitely you will be very successful. The world, definitely a lot of positive changes. I feel you Sagittarius, in work you are not going to listen to anybody. You are going to take charge. You know what you want and you are going to act on it. It is like, you have this focus, especially if you are a student. No one can take that reward that you are after, your goal, your prize. No one can take it from you because you are focused and you're gonna work for it. I also feel you will be charging ahead in your career. There is this energy of taking charge, leadership, and things coming to you. It is by luck and your hard work that things are coming towards you. And I feel if you are going for interviews or something, you will be very feisty. You will be very aggressive, Sagittarius, in telling people what you want and who you are, and showing the world who you are, and it will work in your favor. Your aggression and your boldness will come in handy, and I feel it will lead to a new growth or expansion in your career. I definitely see you are expanding in your career, and definitely some of you could be moving out. If you are a student, you could be changing your cities or home, or like moving out of your, if you are like scared, I feel like some of you are a little scared, but like you will shift that and you will show the world who you are. I definitely see a lot of money is coming your way, Sagittarius. You don't have to worry about it. And the Hanged Man, yeah, definitely. You are like, you will find the answers. It is like this mysticism card we had earlier, like something discovery. You will discover something new or unique about yourself or your career. I feel you will discover a new skill. Maybe you could dance well, you never realized. Maybe you are good at gymnastics, you never realized. Maybe you are good at fitness, you never realized it. Maybe you are good at cooking and you never realized, but now you will in the next 1 month. It is going to change your life. It is going to change your life and bring you the success and money that you need. I feel some of you could be into modeling or going into those areas, acting, modeling, makeup artist, fashion designers, and you may not have thought of that, or you were like doubting yourself in those areas. I see some of you could be future Miss Universes or Miss Worlds or something like that. Congratulations, you are on the right path. You have the gift. You have the gift and you must go for it. And please do let me know if this resonated, because these messages are getting so specific. It's like very specific. Exchanging gifts. So number 27 might be important to you. I feel 27th of November and December are important, or the last year's December, November were important to you. Gifts are coming your way. Happy positive experiences, Sagittarius, are coming your way, and someone could offer you a helping hand. I also feel your life partner or a new romantic situation is coming, which is perfect, which is just perfect and destined for you. So that's it, Sagittarius, for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. And Sagittarius, do let me know in the comment section if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. And if you wanna join us on Instagram, it's Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.